Working with schedules. A schedule controls the timing of your signage content. To add a new schedule, click on the large plus icon and select the New Schedule option. Give your new schedule a name and press OK. To allocate screens to a schedule, just drag the screens onto the schedule and confirm the move by pressing Yes. Now let's open the new schedule and plan some content. Here you see the 24-hour daily schedule. Before we begin, let's set up some default content for the new schedule. By setting default content, you can ensure that you never have an inactive signage screen. You can drag in an image, video, template, playlist, or channel into the default content window. Let's populate the daily schedule with some images from the Content Management portal. This creates your daily content schedule. If you would like to have day-by-day planning, select the Enable Weekdays option. Here, you can drag new content into individual days. Within the time slot, you can select if this content shall be merged with the existing schedule or if it should override the existing schedule. For further precision, the Calendar option allows you to plan content for a specific calendar day. Content may be placed into a time slot as usual, and the timings adjusted with drag and drop. Within the time slot, you can select if this content should be merged with scheduled content or if it should replace the scheduled content during this time. Remember to save your new schedule. Upon saving, you will be prompted to immediately push the updates to the screens. If you choose No, the updates will then be automatically published during the daily content update.